Sheikh Gumi is spreading terrorism. There is no person who will want Sheikh Gumi in the territory of that state apart from a state that knows it's a terrorist state. And I can tell you today that the Fulani Caliphate should be declared a terrorist organization. And once you declare Fulani Caliphate a terrorist organization, you will see that it will lead to the arrest of Sheikh Gumi and those headers, Fulani headers, who are terrorizing the whole entity called Nigeria. So if we want to stop the terror, or at least minimize the terror that is happening across Nigeria, the Fulani Caliphate should be declared a terrorist organization. Sheikh Gumi, today, I confirmed before we started this podcast that he's an Hausa man. And if you guys should know very well that the Hausas were those who were inhabiting the northern Nigeria before the Fulanis came in. And immediately the Fulanis came in, they started using the Hausas. And before you knew it, they became in charge of the Hausas, those territories. It is very difficult for you to see any emir in the north that is not a Fulani, even though the majority of the people that he is ruling over as an emir will be Hausas. So Sheikh Gumi is being used by the Fulanis for their utmost intention, the Fulani Caliphate. The Nigerian state is being run by terrorists. I'm telling you the facts. Now, let me give you a perfect example. There was this terrorist that everybody knows was involved in, church shooting. He was eventually captured by the police, and bring it up to our viewers. He was captured by the police and he escaped eventually. I understand that he escaped because of certain powerful intervention, and it was a kind of, the information was packaged for us as if it's a narrative of escape. And then when he escaped, do you know where he was found? He was found at the state house of a certain politician. That certain politician was harboring these terrorists, and that certain politician is today the vice president of Nigeria. So when you hear that some terrorists are not being prosecuted, and then you are wondering why they are not being prosecuted by the state, when somebody who protects terrorists ends up being a leader in Nigeria, the vice president of Nigeria, what do you think? Nigeria is a terrorist state.